Welcome guys to Artreasure, and today I brought you Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. That's from season 1, that's Tanjiro, not from the Infinity Castle. So basically I'm on a simple landscape page, and I would suggest you to draw with a pencil and an eraser. So sketch light with a pencil. So he's gonna have, I think, 3/4 like his face viewing the side. Alright, so now let's begin the drawing. This is focusing on the face. It's zoomed in basically. So let's start with his upper eyelash. Or eyelid, whatever. The end, it's not that thick. It's kind of like this, because it's 3/4 angle. So now let's move for the eyebrow, just a distance above the eyelash. That's not too much thicker as well, thinner eyebrows. Got some texture on the left side as it gets on for the nose. Let's get the nose. It's just like this angle going in and curving up with the nostril as well. Alright, now add some texture of the eyelid. Now the below part of the eye. Obviously got something underneath. And now we can move for his pupil. And I'll be suggesting you to view this in 4K or at least HD. So let's begin with that white spot in his eyes, both sides. Now circle surrounding it, but be careful, it should not touch the eyelash. This one's basically an egg shaped, because that angle, I think you understand it. Then we add a partition for black and purplish shade. Alright, now let's move for his lips. So it's gonna have a broken line basically, so start with a couple of dots. The right one's gonna be longer, the left one's shorter. Make sure you get a gap between this. Looks better for the Demon Slayer characters. Why I forgot the underneath got his shadow for the jaw. Alright, so now we move for his forehead, or the jaw. So it's like getting on this eyebrow. We move down, which forms his basic jaw. Alright. Like that, and this is his ears. Till there, and now we got the lead for his hairs. So a couple of hairs. And got that attachment for the forehead. It just moves down like that. So that's the basic corner line, or the line. Now we got that mark on his face, the top right corner of his face. this gets in. Also this. So it's that mark. If you want, you can add texture as well for the mark. As it's basically a scar which transforms into a Demon Slayer mark ahead in the season. Not in season 1, I think. Alright, no spoilers. Right, so more texture in here. Just have it extra, it's not in the image. Alright, now we're gonna move for his hair, so continuing from here. Short hairs, curves. Then we got the long hairs. Gets in. Here we got some texture for his hairs, and then again those simple hairs, those curves. And obviously we have some texture for the hairs. Alright, so that's it for, no, wait, we got that ear texture and those earrings as well. So earrings is basically down, it's basically a thin line, thin rectangle. And on the other end, it's partial. Alright, so now we can zoom out. Let's begin with his neck. Firstly, around this. It gets up with that tight Demon Slayer Corp uniform. Alright, so now we just have that card or coat, my bad. Because we're not having it all the way down because we have a sword right here. Alright, those buttons, shirt buttons. So down. So it's like you gotta leave one finger space between this. So in this finger we got his sword. That's what I wanna tell you guys. Alright, now the shoulder back. Come in. And we got some rigidness here, but it at last goes down. See some, and he's gonna have the checks on his shirt. So let's start with this one right there. This one gets down to there. And you guess what that is? That's his arm. This picture is gonna be concentrated. And now those checks getting in line, meeting at one point. Just like that. And now we can have his hand. Not the hand, we just got his thumb. So it starts up like that. And he's got his nail there. And then it gets down. Like that. And there we got his sword holder. For season. It's got a step checks on the shirt as well. Alright, now it's gotta have this grip. So let's start with that. Coming straight down. You can use the scale. I'm not using it. I should use it because I'm bad at drawing straight lines. Alright, now some details on the sword. Then this for up front. Texture. Adding some more. So it's basically simple. Till we get there. Nothing in this spot. It's gonna have that pocket on the shirt, inner part, and now the other side. Obviously, it's also gonna have these checks on that side as well. This part moves up. And I think that's it for Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer. Let's just add something in here to make it black. Right, so that's all for Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Subscribe for more.